Did you know that your iPhone running iOS 26 now lets you edit and annotate PDFs or images without needing third-party apps? The new Preview app gives you powerful markup tools to highlight, comment, or even sign documents right from your device. Let me show you how it works. First, open the Preview app on your iPhone. Browse through Recents, Shared, or your iCloud Drive or iPhone folder, then open the PDF or image you want to edit. Once your document is open, tap the markup icon at the top of the screen. This activates the editing tools. At the bottom, tap the Add button, and you'll see options like sticker, signature, shape, or text. You can also add your digital signature once and reuse it across multiple documents. It's great for signing PDFs or confirming approvals without printing anything. Choose one and place it anywhere on your document. If you're working on an image, you can also add a description or use a loupe, a magnifier tool that zooms in on specific parts of the picture for emphasis. If you make a mistake, no worries. Simply tap the More 3 dots icon in the top right corner, then tap Undo to revert your last change. When you're done, tap the back key at the top left corner to save your edits automatically. And that's it. You just learned how to annotate, highlight, and personalize your PDFs or images using the Preview app on iOS 26. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and check out my other iPhone tutorials to discover more iOS 26 features. Thanks for watching.